Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2018 Chevy Cruze LT. It is in the mosaic black exterior with the jet black cloth interior. Please excuse any wind noise, it is quite windy out here today. Let's check out the 16-inch alloys that you do get with your LT trim. And then around back, you do have your rear backup camera, LT badging as well. Unlocking your car, just go ahead and press unlock twice on your switchblade key. And this one does have 33,597 in terms of mileage. Go ahead and flick to start. Does start right up. So let's check out underneath the hood. Underneath our hood, we do have the 1.4 liter turbocharged inline 4. Making 153 horsepower, 177 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a 6-speed auto. Now it's a super efficient powertrain. You can expect 29 city and 40 out on the highway, but there is also a diesel option for the Cruze. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Coming back in, we did the jet black cloth interior on this one. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat with some cloth inserts over here on your door panel, with your power windows, locks and mirrors, with your trunk release and storage. Automatic headlights and panel dim over there on the left. And then coming to your steering wheel, this is a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, cruise control, as well as your 4-way D-pad for that center screen, Bluetooth phone, as well as your voice commands, and audio controls are mounted on the back of the wheel. Over on the left, you have your tap to through blinks, blinkers, and high beams, and then your variable intermittent speed wipers. Coming to your head unit, checking out your sources, you have AM, FM satellite, as well as your USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. You also do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection. Just go ahead and connect up your phone via USB. Below that, single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, temperature, and your zones right here. You also do have an Eco AC button, so when that is illuminated green, you are doing the Eco option. Below that, you do have a 12-volt as well as your audio inputs. And here's going to be that 6-speed automatic with manual shift mode. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera. With cup holders, storage, traction control, padded armrest with plenty of storage. Glove box nice and damp with your owner's manuals. Some of those cloth accents up top. Manually dimming rearview mirror. You do have your vanity mirror on your sun visor, as well as some map lights and some OnStar buttons. This also does have your 4G LTE capability as well as OnStar, so this can be hooked up to be a Wi-Fi hotspot if that's a service you would like to use. But let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Back here, your jet black cloth does carry through, as well as all your door panel materials with your padded inserts, storage, and power window. Front seat set by a 5'9" frame, and we do have plenty of room with footroom down below. We have a charging USB down there, seat mount pocket, and over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable outboard headrest, as well as some coat hooks up top and illumination. Nice view of the dash right here. And that wraps it up for the rear seat. Let's check out the cargo area. We can wrap up our video. Coming around back, just go ahead and press the membrane underneath your logo. Will open right up. Nice line truncated with your emergency release up top. 60/40 folding rear seats. Those front carpeted mats. And then underneath your cargo floor, you do have a temporary spare tire and jack. Lots of room back here. But that'll wrap it up for this 2018 Chevy Cruze LT sedan. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.